going to blur the lines between mainstream finance and digital assets. The recent Genius Act and all that's been happening in crypto land is super exciting, just as we've been talking about. And that seems to be one of the primary threads that's underpinning a lot of the excitement around productivity enhancements. And so how can we not address that? Because things like the Genius Act are super important in that they offer legitimacy to payment stable coins. You've received the government's blessing here, right? That was a lot of the frustration that folks were having with trying to get Bitcoin ETFs approved. And so to have that explicitly up front is huge. And then establishing regulatory framework for these to run on is fantastic, because that's just the way democracy and capital markets like to operate, are on predictable rails, and it gives consumer protection, it gives regulatory oversight. And the gateway and what we're going to see from this is super exciting in terms of, it's going to blur the lines between mainstream finance and digital assets. And I think that we're going to see a lot of really cool benefits over the years.